How to customize a workflow. It's easy to edit your workflow. First, go to Settings and then select Workflows. Once the page loads, you will get directed to the Workflow editor. Click the Workflow Stages tab. And for this video, let's create a new workflow. Click Create. We'll call this Demo Workflow. Put in the label, owners, and owners limit, and when you're done, hit Create to save or cancel to exit. By default, all workflows will have these two green stages as markers, Workflow Start and Complete. Every stage between these markers is therefore customizable and movable to cater to everyone's customization needs. Let's add a couple of stages in the workflow to show you how customization works. Change the stage name or label to match the desired workflow. We'll call this one Approval, and then this one Publish. You'll also notice that any changes that we make will automatically get saved. One of the important things you need to learn are the three different stages that help determine the priority and approval process of your workflow. Those three different stage types are working, single approval, and multi-approval. Working stage, with its name, suggests that the stage is more content creation related and not something that needs an approval. Working stage is recommended for stages like drafting or ideation, and this is also highlighted by the blue background that you see right here, as well as the pencil symbol right over here. Single approval. Single approval is an approval that behaves through an either-or principle. If you have more than one person or one role assigned to this specific stage, one or the other, in this case, either or, can then hit approve, and that stage will then move to the next stage. Multi-approval in this case, this is an approval stage that requires everyone, role or user, whichever one is assigned to hit approve, they all have to hit the button approve in order for it to be moved to the next stage. The difference between the working stage and the approval stage is highlighted by their differences in color from blue to yellow, as well as this little symbol of thumbs up icon right over here. Now, assign default sets the default assignee to the workflow, whereas assign limit, it limits the users or roles listed here as the only users or roles that can be assigned to the stage. If you need to make modifications on the order of the stage, you can also do so by simply dragging a stage like this. You can also move it back to where you want it to go. And like as stated, any changes that you make will automatically get saved. Lastly, to add emphasis on the stage, you can hit View More. This will allow you to customize the specific stage further in terms of the background color, the description, and instructions for your colleagues to use. To edit the workflow, hit Edit. You can either then choose to delete the workflow if you're no longer required to use this. You can hit Save to save any changes made, or simply hit Cancel to exit. That wraps our video.